Roar of Resilience, Embracing the Lion's Lessons. In the heart of untamed wilderness, the lion reigns as a living testament to strength and courage, teaching us profound lessons about embracing life's challenges. With every confident step it takes, the lion reminds us to stride forward with unwavering confidence, facing difficulties head-on. Just as a pride works together to conquer the hunt, we too can achieve remarkable feats through collaboration and unity. Amidst life's relentless pace, the lion teaches us the importance of self-care and rejuvenation, finding strength in moments of rest. From birth to passing on the torch, the lion's journey mirrors our own, reminding us that challenges are but stepping stones on our path to greatness. When the lion roars, the world listens. A reminder that our voices too hold the potential to inspire change and leave an enduring legacy. Beyond its roar and might, the lion's gentle side speaks of our ability to protect our loved ones and foster connections while pursuing our dreams. So, as we traverse life's wilderness, let the lion's lessons guide us. Roaring with courage, leading with grace, and facing each day with unyielding determination. Remember, within each of us lies the spirit of the lion, the embodiment of resilience, the essence of leadership, and the heart of a true champion. Thanks for watching.